Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and I hope you subscribe. Now, today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some sunglasses that I feel they're worth the price. Now, if you saw my last unboxing videos, I told you guys I'm a big sunglass lover. Like, I love sunglasses. I have all kinds in my collection. They range from like $10 to more expensive, like $200. I love sunglasses. So I wanted to share with you guys some sunglasses that I think are worth the price. Now, these aren't like designer sunglasses. They aren't like 500 bucks, but they also aren't the inexpensive ones you can find in Forever 21 for like 10 bucks. So if you're looking for like some kind of middle ground, like not super designer prices, but not super inexpensive prices, then this video is for you guys. So I have about six to share with you guys. I'll go ahead and show it to you guys in detail. I'll read to you the retail price as well. And then at the end of each clip, I'm going to share with you guys some clips of me styling them so you can see how they look on. Let's get started. All right, guys, so the first one here is from Diff Eyewear. I recently got introduced to this brand and they sent over two of their sunglasses. The quality is amazing. These here, they're called the Rio heart-shaped sunglasses and they're in smoke gray. And I'm just reading the retail price for you guys. They retail at about 85 bucks. You can also find them on Nordstrom as well. What I love about this brand also is that they are a charitable brand. So they give back for every pair of glasses that you purchase, they give back a pair of glasses for somebody in need, which I think is pretty cool. But these here, oh my God, these black ones with the heart shape, they're just so cute. I love these sunglasses. I love that it comes with a nice case to put it in. If you're that type of person who kind of just doesn't take care of their sunglasses, my husband is like that. I definitely recommend always carrying a case. I love that it comes in a very pretty case to keep it in. For 85 bucks, I definitely think that it's worth the price. The quality just looks and just feels amazing. They honestly look like designer sunglasses to me. All right, next up, these are a big favorite of mine. They're from Flower Eyewear, and that's Drew Barrymore's line. I actually went to an event in New York a couple of years ago, and she was supposed to be there for the launch of her sunglasses, and she couldn't make it. I was so sad that she wasn't able to make it. I would have loved to have met her. She just seems so genuine and so cool, and I also love her makeup brand as well. So that day I did come home with these. These are called the Holly Green. They retail for about 68 bucks. You can also find them in Walmart as well. These are a very type of classic type of style, I would say. I like to wear these more when I don't want to be very like trendy, I guess. Sometimes I just want to wear something more classic, more simple. I would definitely go for these sunglasses. I definitely think that they're worth the price. Again, these are very good quality. If you can see, as you can see the details on here, I've had these for a very long time. And again, these also come in a nice, pretty case as well to kind of keep them from getting damaged. They came with a nice little floral print handkerchief to kind of clean them. I definitely think it's worth the price, and these are very classic ones to have. Next up, it's these from MVMT. They sell a ton of accessories for men and women. They sell sunglasses and they sell a ton of watches, which they also have a lot of nice watches as well. These here, These pink ones, they're cat eye. I love these because they're a little bit transparent with that little bit of that smoky pink color. And these retail for 75. They're actually on sale right now on their website for 63.75. They're called the Lola. They come in two other colors as well. The only thing that I would say I don't like about them is that they didn't come with a case. They kind of came with the some kind of like a little pouch you kind of just put them in. I mean, for 63 bucks, if I'm going to be paying for sunglasses, I gonna need a case. I like this because they're like really different. They kind of give your look a different type of touch because they're cat eye and you can still kind of see your eyes. They have like that smoke. But definitely check out their site. They have a ton of other great sunglasses. And like I said, they sell for both men and women. And they also sell other accessories like watches. All right, next up is another favorite of mine from Diff Eyewear. I'm telling you guys, they have the best sunglasses. These are called the Maya and they're a flash mirror lens. Oh my God, you guys, I fell in love with these glasses. Out of all the sunglasses that I have, honestly, I rank these in probably like top two. Heck, they're probably number one in the whole collection. Um, they're just so chic with the cat eye. They have like a leopard print on the side. These are so cute. And again, their quality of sunglasses are bomb.com, guys. All right, and they retail for 85 and they're actually on sale right now for 50, but they are sold out on their website, but they do sell them in other retailers like Nordstrom, so I'll make sure to link those below for you guys. They also come in four other colors, and for 85 bucks, I honestly believe that they're worth it. And the fact that they're on sale right now for 50 bucks, it's amazing. All right, guys, we're almost done. Just two more left. This one here is from a brand called Captain and Son, Captain with a K. I received two glasses from them, and this is my favorite one out of both of them. This one is called the Malibu, and it has the cat eye design all over, and the front are mirrored and they're blue. And this one retails for 129. The quality is great. I definitely think that the price is worth it. They also come with a nice case as well to kind of keep it safe in and carry it around. I do like that. I'm a big fan of presentation, so the fact that, you know, these glasses came with a case, a nice cloth to clean it, like to me, all of that matters. I factor all of that into the price as well as the quality. The shape of these are great. I think they fit my face so well. So if you have a very like oval face, kind of like mine, then I think these glasses will be great for you. Also with this brand, if you sign up with your email, I think you get with your first purchase 15% off. So definitely go check out their website. I know you can get 15% off. I'm just not sure what exactly do you need to do, but definitely check out the site. Last one, you guys. All right, these here, they're from a place called AC Lens, and the ones that I got from there were from the Kendall and Kylie collection. These I've had for a while, and again, they come in a nice case. This is a very hard shell case. This is what it looks like. They're very square. They have the metal frame. They're mirrored as well, and have like a nice light pink. They're called the Sophie, and they retail for 170. I think these are very modern. They're very chic. I like the nice like vibes and touch that they give whenever I put this on when I'm wearing like a nice look. They just look very like expensive, very like designer $500 sunglasses. Whenever I do wear these, I do get a lot of questions about these, like where did I get them? Because they look very unique, very different. And like I said, they do look very expensive, like $500 sunglasses. At the edge of the sunglasses, they do have a little bit of like a leopard print with a little bit of gold detail on the end. These are honestly, whenever I wear these, I get a lot of questions as to where these sunglasses are from. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I kind of want to do a video just like this, but with kind of inexpensive sunglasses, maybe 5 or 6 that look expensive, but really aren't expensive. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, you can subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. And don't forget, you can follow me on social media, Patty's_closet. And you can also follow my blog, pattyscloset.com. There I share more fashion, more beauty, and lifestyle content. See you guys in my next video.